YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss how to dynamically change the bubble color if I'm selecting one value in a slicer. But while doing that, I came across a problem. Logically, my statement was correct, but still I came across one problem. Now, let me show you guys what the problem was and how I solved that problem to dynamically change my bubble colors based on the parameters selected. So first let me share my screen and show you what I did. Okay. So here's my visual. Over here, you can see I have created one parameter named deteriorated cities and improved cities. If I click on improved cities, I am getting the cities which improved. And if I click on deteriorated cities, I am getting the cities which deteriorated. Now, what the problem is happening is, I created a bubble hex like DAX to dynamically change my bubble color. Over here, I have written bubble parameter fields. But technically, if I go to my bubble parameter table, over here, I should have got parameter name instead of parameter fields. I should have used bubble parameter because here is deteriorated cities and improved cities written. So instead of dropping parameter field in my formula, I should have written bubble parameter. But if I do that, if I change it to parameter instead of parameter fields, see what will happen. My visual is going away. Technically and logically, this is correct, but my visual is not working. Why? Why my visual is not working? If I go to see details, you can see here my visual is not working because this column parameter is a part of composite key, which means if I give parameter only, like parameter name only, it will not work properly because it is a part of composite key. It will only work if I give both the parameter and parameter field together. And that is not possible over here. So what can we do to deal with this? What we can do over here is we can create a new column named measure name. I created a measure name column in the bubble parameter table using the values present in bubble parameter column. So what this will give me, this will create a new column with the same name, deteriorated cities and improved cities, but this time the column header changed to measure name. And now, if I go back to my DAX and change the parameter to measure name now, and click OK, this worked. Now, if I click on improved cities, it is showing me green. And if I click on deteriorated cities, it is showing me red. So this was the problem. And this is how I solved it to get the final outcome. Thank you.